In today's video, we will see how to create and insert a chart in your Google Sheets based on the data you have. It's very easy. Firstly, make sure you have the source data table ready. To demonstrate this, I have some monthly expense data in a table nicely formatted and ready to use. Also, don't miss a tip I have included to avoid a common error while generating graphs on Google Sheets. To get started, select the table and then click on Insert and then Chart from the menu, as you see. By default, it will insert a bar graph. However, you can change the graph type as needed. On the top right, using the Setup menu, you can change the chart type to a bar graph or any other available formats. That's how easy it is to create a chart or graph based on any data type. Again, by using the right menu setup and customization options, you can further design the chart's appearance, data labels, backgrounds, colors, etc. Now before we end, here's a very important tip that is often overlooked. In the data chart, you may notice that line items like fuel and grocery are repeated. This can occur when there are multiple entries of the same item, such as on different days. In such cases, you can use the aggregate checkbox to consolidate similar expenses into a single item and then generate the graph. That way, it's easy to visualize and analyze trends in data sets and see the contrasting differences without any confusion. The same aggregation can be applied to all chart types as well. Finally, before we part, a quick tip. You can use the data labels to insert the data point inside the graph element like this. This makes such charts more meaningful and easy to analyze. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section.